Good morning guys. Today I am going to discuss a product called GSM and GPS based action detection. The concept action detection is a very useful and helpful project for people who care for lower persons. For understanding the whole project, you have to take example. For suppose your family is going somewhere and you want to know whether you have reached the destination correctly or not. To know the situation of the traveling, you can use this project. For instance, this whole project is embedded in your car which you are traveling, which your family is traveling to somewhere. So you want to know that you reached the destination correctly. For this concept, you are in this project. In this project, the main parts of the project are arms and controller, GSM module, GPS module, num sensor, and API 9600. The heart of the whole project is ARM7. ARM7 is a controller that controls the GPS, GSM, and num sensor and API 9600. This ARM7 is a basic tool for sending SMS the location of the action where happened and catching the location from GPS and recording of whatever they want to record and for the catching a vibration from the num sensor. Here, coming to GPS module, this GPS module is for catching location of the action occurred. The main use of GPS is for catching of location. And coming to GSM module, this GSM module is the main purpose is to send SMS for sending of values of the locations where action occurred, which is captured in the GPS module. And coming to MEM sensor, this sensor is the important part of the project. The MEM sensor is the device which catches the vibration of the vehicle. Means whenever the action happens, the vibrations are more. So those vibrations are catching the MEM sensor and given the controller. And the controller will getting the MEM vibrations more. The controller will analyze that action happened. Then it will send this GPS module to catch the location. Then GPS module will catch the location and send to controller. And then the controller will again send a command to the GSM module to send this GPS value location to the number which is already stored in the code. So by this we can say that wherever the action happened, we can send the help very fastly. And this coming to this API 9600, this is a device which helps us to record when whatever the person who is on the action spot want to record. Whatever it may be, whether they want to say any last words or they want to say anything important, that can be stored in this API 9600. Coming to whole project supply, the whole project, the whole things are works on this supply only. They cannot work on this supply. So we need to convert the supply which is coming from home, that is 20 volts AC. It has to come to DC. So for that purpose, we are in this step-down transformer, which converts the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and this 12 volts AC is given to the Samsung controller. In this 12 volts is converted into 5 volts DC with the help of this digitifier, this capacitor, and voltage regulator 7805. These three things combinedly decrease the 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC, and this is given to the controller board. And coming to GPS and MEM sensor, this supply for this is given by the adapter, which is given from AC supply. And for voice playback, we are using this speaker. Whenever the person records something, we can hear whatever he spoke by just clicking on this button. Now, coming to project, this MEM sensor, this is a very important. As I said, this is a very important component of the project. MEM sensor can be said as the higher end of the low end of the accelerometer. Means accelerometer is very useful in the cars. Whenever action happens, the airbags will open at the steering point. That is the accelerometer, and lower end is the MEM sensor. As it is a lower end device, means it is lower end which it is used in product condition. And the communication on the product is in serial communication. Means the controller and the GSM and GPS whole will be done by serial communication concept with the help of this DIP9 connectors and RS-280 cables. And I will show you the product now. Output. So as the action happened, action detected, recording means you have to record something with the speaker for recording purpose, and GPS tracking occur. This GPS will track the location and it is sending. This GSM will send the location which is got by the GPS. So now the kit is sending SMS, and SMS sent to the number which is stored in it, and I will show you the SMS of the location in the mobile. See, These are the locations at which the action happened. So by these locations, we can say that we can send the help to the place where the action happened very fastly, and we can save the loved ones from serious damages. So thank you for your time. Thank you.